Conrad Angel Corral with your CCTV. In today's new business segment, we're dropping into the ribbon cutting of a new business called Plant Growth, located right here in Cathedral City across the street from the Target Shopping Center. What's really unique about this business is that it's actually interactive, meaning you can bring your design skills and your desire to bring some greenery into your home. And let me show you an example. Come on in, Natalie. You too can make one of these.
Well, I just want to congratulate you and welcome you to Cathedral City. What a brilliant idea and a great addition to our community. Something fun to do in the afternoon when it's 110 degrees. You can come in, get cool, get a plant, and then take it home. I love the idea. It's really brilliant. So welcome and congratulations.
1, 2, 3.
All right, we just experienced a terrific ribbon cutting of a new business called Plant Growth, located right here in Cathedral City, and I'm very happy to be joined by the owner, Natalie Michelle. Hello, and congratulations. Welcome to Cathedral City.
Thank you.
It's a beautiful day here, very hot, so we're nice to know that we're inside in air conditioning, which is something good for our residents to know, or anybody who wants to come to the business, is that this is an interactive experience. And so if it's hot outside, which we know it's coming soon, people can come here and still have air conditioning and have some fun.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about what people can do when they come.
So yeah, when people can come in the shop, they can purchase plants. I do have plants available for purchase for all those houseplant lovers. I also have workshops available so people can come in, they can paint their pot, they can pick a plant, and then they can plant it up.
Now, do people need to come in and make a reservation, or can they walk in the door and say, you know what, I think I'm ready to, I need a plant for a gift, I'm ready to do some painting. How does that work? Do you need a reservation?
Yeah, so currently it's on a walk-in basis. I wanted to make sure that anybody at any given time can come in here and experience the creativity that we have going on. I do have after-hours private events, so if anyone wants to book the room and use it for team building, birthday party, that's also available. It's all one price, everything's included, so the paint supplies that you need. I have moss, I also have rock. I do have these little toppers, so I have Easter in here right now. You can pick a sign. I have many you can choose from.
Sounds great. Well, thank you very much for opening this very unique shop here in Cathedral City. Congratulations and welcome, and come on in, everybody. Everybody loves a green plant in their house. This is the place to get it.